Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for You YouTube channel. My name is Sushil Sharma and today's topic is sudo super user do. With the help of sudo command we can give the delegation some privileges to the normal user so that they can run the administrative tasks by the given credentials, right? So it means we are giving some administrative power to the normal users, right, by the help of sudo. So let's see how you can use the sudo command. Best practice will be there, and through the use of sudo, if you are doing the bad configuration, the hacking of Linux OS may be possible. So carefully you need to use the sudo command. So let's see how we can handle the sudo. Here we are going to RHEL virtual machine, and let's say I want to give the user to the all permission that is owned by the root. It means I'm equaling the root user to a particular user. I'm giving all of the privileges of the root user to a particular another user, right? So how you can do that? So first command is sudo, right? So with the help of sudo, you are basically modifying the etc sudo file. So the best way is sudo vi sudo, right? So through this command you are editing the etc sudo file, right? So first we are going to a particular line, allow. So here you can see the root is allowed to run any command anywhere. So this line is already here. Suppose there is a user and I want to give the user root authority to a particular person, right? So how you can give? Let's see. The user is name is, let's say, Karthik. So Karthik, I am giving the all equal authority of root user, right? So how you need to write the exact uh, line here, all and space all. So this way the Karthik user is the new root now. So root user has the same authority that the Karthik user. So this way you can add the any user or multiple user you can add here. The another thing is suppose we want to give the particular user the particular specific commands to run. So let's see, save this file and then create a user. So here I'm creating a user, sudo user add netadmin, and set the password. So I'm setting the password of netadmin. So this way I created a new user, netadmin, right? And I want to give the only some command authority to that user. Suppose I want to give the only the ping authority. The user can run the ping command, right? So how you can do that? So sudo vi sudo, and now you can add another line here, netadmin, and all is equal to all and you need to specify the particular user should run which command. Suppose I want to give only the ping authority so that the user can use the ping only, right? So you have to specify the command usr bin and ping. So netadmin user can run only the ping command. You can also verify that. So saving that file and login as a netadmin user. Enter the netadmin password and you can use ping command. Ping space, let's say I am pinging my router. Now it is pinging. Suppose you are using the another command. Suppose I am using another command sudo systemctl status cron d. After entering the password, it is telling me that you are not allowed because we have not given the authority to use another command. So this way you are giving the restricted access to a particular user. Only the particular command he or she can run, right? Suppose we want to give the sudo privilege to the certain group. So I am creating another user, sudo user add dba1. First we have to exit from here because right now I am netadmin. So first I am exiting from here and creating the user once again. So I am creating one user once again, and that is dba1. So this is the DB administration user who is doing the DB administration, database administration, and I am creating the one group also, sudo group add DBA admins. So one group I created, and I am adding the user to this group. So I am adding DB1 to this group. So sudo user mod append the group. The group name is DBA admins. DB admins, and the username is DBA1. So suppose I want to give the authority not to the user, to this group, so that this group can run some commands here. So how you can do that? So it is group based sudo practical, that is a part of RHCSA. So sudo vi sudo, and now you have to write the command here percentage, because this is a group right? So you need to add percentage. So percentage db admins is equal to all is equal to all, and what permissions of the command you want to give here, you have to specify here, right? Suppose I want to give a particular command, let's say slash bin slash systemctl restart cron d. So I am giving the authority of this command to run to this user, right? And if you want to give the another command, you have to add a comma here, and then you have to specify the another command, right? Like slash bin slash, just spelling mistake is there. Another command I want to give, that is bin systemctl status cron d. So I am giving the authority of these two commands to that group, right? So after that you need to save the file, and you can verify su-dba1, and after that you can run both of the command. First set the password of dba1. So first set the password and then login and then test. Now again I am running the command. First I am logging as a dba1, entering the password, and now you can run both of the command that I have given the permission. Let's say sudo systemctl restart cron d. So it should work. And another command is also work, status command. So both commands should work. Now working. Now I am again running the another command. That authority is not given. Suppose I am running this command. So this command is not allowed because we have not given that command authority to that user, a particular group, right? So this way you are giving the permission to the users, you are giving the permissions, sudo credentials, sudo delegation to the power to the groups. And suppose you, when you are running the sudo command, you don't want to enter your password, so you need to add some more thing to the VI sudo. Let's say first exit from here and run the command once again, sudo vi sudo. So here, suppose you don't want to enter your password again and again when you are using sudo, so you have to add just one more thing here, and that is no passwd colon all. So whenever you add here this thing, the DB admin group members is not required to enter the password, their password, when they are using sudo, right? So this way you can change also. So today we saw that how we are giving the some administrative privilege to the user, to the group, right? By editing the user permissions and group permissions. And if you are setting the wrong thing in the sudo, the hacking of Linux OS may be possible. So whenever you do these editings, you should be very careful. So if you are liking this channel, and please subscribe this channel and like this channel, like the videos. And if you want that all commands I should give you at a text format, in a text format, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will meet once again with a new video, right?